Guys, the truck is from where, Landon?
Georgia.
Georgia. Here we go. Here's the exhaust hood. Georgia truck.
My name is Optimus Prime.
Guys, Ford says like and subscribe, so go ahead and do that now. All right, here, ready? This is Landon. Landon, what's up? Landon, you ever wonder why Landon's hair is like it is? Well, guys, hey guys, I should be driving a squatted truck right now. Guys, I need to drive a squatted truck because that's what I look like. I'm just kidding. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check out this. We have leaf blowers, lawnmowers, zero turns, tractors, you name it. John Deere, Kubota, Ferguson Masterson, everything behind me. Can't hear a damn thing to do my video. Anyways, guys, check this out. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Let's go do the video somewhere else, shall we? Follow me. Let's go do the video. Cut it. Cut. All right, ready? Continuing. Are you going sideways now on me?
Getting a better angle, jackass.
I'll give you a better angle. Guys, what's up? Continuation of the interruption with the leaf blower and all that jazz. We're going to make this one short, quick, and quick and sweet. And go figure, we left the other place because there was lawnmowers, and now we got jackwagon over here. All right, there, that jackwagon. Where'd he go?
He went around the corner.
Hell. Anyways, we're gonna give you a quick rundown of this truck, and then we're gonna do what you want, the acceleration and all that jazz. I'm gonna run it off quick. It's bulletproofed, oil cooler, ARP head studs, EGR delete, Sinister Diesel FICM. It's got upgraded turbo. Was it 10 blade or 9 blade? I forget. Some blade turbo. Let's get some. It sounds insane. I'm reading off. Loud whistle, a whole bunch of good jazz. Shane's calling. Shane, what's up, buddy? Hey, you're in the middle of a YouTube video right now. Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
YouTube, man, not you, boo. YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, guys, we got Shane on the line. Give him a what's up, everybody. Say what's up to Shane. We got Sinister Diesel coolant filtration system, 20x12 Fuel Maverick wheels, 6-inch rough country suspension system with dual steering, stabilizer, rough country shocks. We got recent maintenance done, and Shane's still on the phone. He's listening in. Fresh oil change and filter. Both fuel filters replaced. Rear brakes, new rotors, pads, driver's side caliper. Number 4-cylinder injector replaced. 2 brand new Duralast batteries. And 2015 upgraded mirrors. I'm going to put Landon on the phone with his buddy. I'm going to go around the truck with you guys real quick. And it's a sweet truck. 05 plus, nice Harley Davidson style headlights right here. Super nice truck. Step rails right there. The tires and wheels absolutely look stellar on this truck. They just fit so well. Standing off the side right there, probably about 4 inches off. The Anthony gauge, my boy gauged it for me. I'm 6 foot tall, right at the mirror right here. Got a small blemish on the hood right there, but who cares? It's a 20-year-old truck, Landon. Yeah, 22-year-old truck. Landon forgot some tire shine right there. Rough country rear shocks and 2.0 shocks. NFAB step rails. It's just a nice looking truck. It really is. A few small blemishes, but I mean, it's expected for that old of a truck. But this one, the paint's in good shape. The tires are pretty much brand new. I mean, look at the tread. You can stick your whole hand in there. It's probably about like, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds. Who knows? 15, 18, whatever brand new tires come with. Mine is 2.2. And like I said, the 15 mirrors with a nice little blacked out lens incorporated into them. The bedsides are in good shape. I mean, you can see through the paint, really nice. 4-inch turbo back exhaust system with a 5-inch tip, or 5-inch exhaust tip, 5 to a 6-inch exhaust tip. The taillights, I got the LED taillights right here, and they're super, super bright. They're really, really nice. And like I said, the bed sides are really good. Everything is really nice. You can see the reflection in the paint inside the bed. Nice and clean. Spray and bed liner a long time ago. But pads are in good shape. Really, really nice. Under the truck, really, really good. It's a Southern truck, I believe, right? We'll pull up the information on it. Look, what state is it in? So right here, look, really, really nice. Super clean. You can see the reflection of the paint. It's just a nice truck. And on with the information. Got the keypad right here. Let's get you guys on the information with the interior. Here we go. Brand new. We just put these in, Landon, what, last week? Yeah. Brand new leather seats, okay? Brand new. WeatherTech floor mats. 194,641 maintained miles. Super, super nice truck. It really is. It's got the carbon fiber little brushed aluminum, double din Kenwood sound system, 4-wheel drive. You got your trailer brake controller right here. I'm going the other side so I can reach better. Who's ready for the reach around? Unlock the doors. Here's the VIN number. Gonna move quick with you. Ladder bars, all your drop brackets right there, and your shocks and everything. Under the truck is really, really nice. Small, little bit of surface rust, but I mean, nothing compromising at all whatsoever. Just a really, really nice truck. Let me go the other side and I'll show you underneath right here. There we go. Just a really, really nice truck. Super, super nice. Like I said, power seats both sides, driver and passenger power seats. Brand new leather, and not just leather, but the cushions, both sides. Cushions and the leather. Brand new. WeatherTech floor mats. There's your inspection all done. Everything's good to go. Driver's side power windows and locks. And rear seat, there you go. The rear seats are still the cloth two-tone leather that came factory with. Floor mats right there. So there we go. Back seat's got this factory, just like factory pockets in there. Let's do the video and we'll show you guys what this puppy sounds like. Over and out. See ya. Guys, what's going on? Today's video is proudly sponsored by 70 May, the awesome, most revolutionary dash cam ever tested and featured in any of our vehicles. This one in particular is the 800, the A is an Alpha, 800 SE, and it is awesome, highly optioned camera, dash cam front and rear. Great value for the money. I want to say it's like under $100. It's a strong 4K, 30 frames per second performance with awesome night vision, super competitive pricing, super simple setup, and they're honestly one of the best cameras. Here's a quick demo on it real quick. Dash cam, super nice if you can see it right there. 4K, hardware's included. I'm gonna go over that with you guys in a second. Emergency buffering, super night vision, smart surveillance, pretty much 360. Just a awesome setup. It really is. The night vision's right there. You can see HD resolution, high definition resolution right there. It just goes on. Just a really nice camera setup. In this video sponsored by them, I'm going to put the link in the description. Buy one of these. If you guys see this video, buy them, check it out. Here's a quick demo on it. This one rotates, as you can see. This is for the front. You mount it right there. It's got all your buttons. It's got all the, come on, focus camera. It's got all button 1, 2, 3, all that jazz right there. Comes with the rear camera right here too. You can stick that on the back side. It's got the memory card built in there. They send you that and all the information, the two-side plexiglass so it doesn't hurt it. And this also came with the super night vision screen in there, and the hardwire kit. Just a whole bunch of good stuff. This is the what's it called? The let me see, circular polarizing lens. It came with another accessory, the polarizing lens. So pretty much just wearing sunglasses. But really, really nice setup. I'm happy to sponsor it. And they were kind enough to send us this camera in collaboration with this video. Check them out. Links in the description. And there's all the goodies in here for that. It comes with your cables and everything you need to mount this sucker up. Highly recommend it. You'll love it. You'll absolutely love it. And you can't put a price on safety, and this is what you need. Hit them up. See ya.